Let's be honest, the world of juicing is full of myths and exaggerations. You've heard them all. Juice cleanses cure everything. Or drinking celery juice will make you a millionaire. Okay, maybe not that last one, but you get the point. People believe some crazy stuff. It's like they think juicing is some magical elixir that will instantly transform their lives. Don't get me wrong, juicing can be a fantastic addition to a healthy lifestyle, but it's not a miracle cure. We need to separate fact from fiction and debunk these juicing myths. Welcome to Wellness Wise. Please like and subscribe so that our channel can grow. We're going to dive deep into the real benefits of juicing, expose the ridiculous claims, and share some hilarious personal anecdotes along the way. Get ready for a juicy ride, folks. And remember, while juicing can be beneficial, it's not a substitute for a balanced diet and healthy lifestyle. Not so fast. Let's get one thing straight. There's no such thing as a miracle juice. No single juice will magically melt away fat, cure diseases, or give you superpowers. Sorry to burst your bubble. Juicing can be a fantastic way to flood your body with essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. But it's not a substitute for a balanced diet and regular exercise. It's like thinking you can win a marathon by just wearing fancy running shoes. Sure, those shoes might help, but you still need to put in the work. Juicing is just one tool in your health and fitness arsenal. It's not a magic bullet, but it can be a powerful weapon when used correctly. Remember, moderation is key. Overdoing it can lead to nutrient imbalances and other health issues. So enjoy your juice, but don't forget the bigger picture of overall health and wellness. Green juice has become all the rage these days, and for good reason. It's packed with leafy greens, which are nutritional powerhouses. But let's be real, some of the claims surrounding green juice are downright absurd. Some people swear that drinking a gallon of kale juice a day will give them superhuman strength and make them look 20 years younger. Come on, folks, green juice is great, but it's not a fountain of youth. It's a convenient way to boost your intake of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. But it won't magically reverse the aging process. Remember, balance is key. Enjoy your green juice, but don't expect miracles. Now let's talk about the elephant in the room, juicing for weight loss. Can you really shed pounds by sipping on celery juice all day? Well, it's not that simple. I've seen some crazy juice cleanses out there that claim to help you lose 10 pounds in a week. They're like the fad diets of the juicing world, extreme, unsustainable, and often downright unhealthy. Remember that time I tried the cabbage soup diet? Let's just say I spent more time in the bathroom than I did enjoying my newfound slimness. Juicing can be a helpful tool for weight management, but it's not a quick fix. So, while juicing can be part of a healthy lifestyle, don't expect it to be a magic wand for weight loss. One of the biggest benefits of juicing is its ability to boost your immune system. Fruits and vegetables are loaded with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that help strengthen your body's natural defenses. It's like giving your immune system a shot of espresso. A daily dose of fresh juice can help you ward off colds, flu, and other nasty bugs. Think of it this way, fruits and vegetables are like the superheroes of the food world, fighting off villains like inflammation and free radicals. By juicing them, you're essentially creating a superhero smoothie that will power up your immune system. Embrace juicing as a daily habit, and you'll not only feel more energized, but also more vibrant and healthy overall. Juicing can give you a quick energy boost, but be careful not to overdo it on the sugary fruits. Too much sugar can lead to a crash later on, leaving you feeling sluggish and drained. It's like riding a roller coaster. You get a thrilling ride up, but then you come crashing down. The key is to find the right balance. Incorporate plenty of leafy greens and low-sugar fruits like berries into your juices. This will give you a sustained energy boost without the sugar rush and subsequent crash. Think of it like fueling your car. You wouldn't fill it up with sugary soda, would you? You'd choose a high-quality fuel that will keep your engine running smoothly. So choose wisely and enjoy the lasting energy. We've all been there. You're excited to try a new juice recipe, but something goes horribly wrong. The juice ends up tasting like grass clippings, or your kitchen looks like a scene from a horror movie. I remember one time I tried making a beet juice. I didn't realize how much beet stain, and let's just say my kitchen looked like a crime scene. Juicing can be messy and unpredictable, but that's part of the fun. Embrace the mishaps, learn from your mistakes, and don't be afraid to experiment. Sometimes the juicer might even explode. But hey, it's all part of the juicing adventure. Juicing is a fantastic addition to a healthy lifestyle, but it's not meant to be your sole source of nutrition. It's all about balance, folks. Remember, moderation is key. Don't fall into the trap of thinking you need to juice every single day. Overdoing it can lead to nutrient imbalances. Listen to your body, pay attention to how you feel, and adjust your juicing routine accordingly. Think of juicing as a supplement to your diet, not a replacement for whole foods. It's like taking a multivitamin. It can help fill in nutritional gaps, but it's not a substitute for a healthy diet. Always aim for a balanced approach. I'll admit, I was a bit of a juicing skeptic at first. I thought it was just another fad, a passing trend that would soon fade away. Boy, was I wrong. My journey with juicing began when I was struggling with my health. I was overweight, tired, and feeling run down. I decided to give juicing a try, and I was amazed by the results. I started incorporating fresh juices into my daily routine, and I noticed a significant improvement in my energy levels, digestion, and overall well-being. I felt like a new person, full of life and energy. Juicing can be a powerful tool for improving your health and well-being, but it's important to approach it with a healthy dose of realism and a good sense of humor. Don't buy into the hype and exaggerated claims. Embrace the benefits, but don't expect miracles. Juicing is not a quick fix, but it can be a valuable part of a balanced and healthy lifestyle. So go ahead and embrace the juice. Experiment with different flavors, have fun with it, and enjoy the ride. Share your juicing journey with friends and family and make it a fun, communal experience. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.